Hi, students. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. This week should slowly get a little bit warmer, starting out a little chilly, but it's warming up, which I like the warm, so I can be outside and play. Today's book is The Pigeon Needs a Bath. I do not. It's playing in the mud. Hi. I don't know if you noticed, but the pigeon is filthy, so I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. Yes, he does. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah, when was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things like taking a bath? What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. I know in some places it's impolite to bathe. All of these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. Phew, yuck. Let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. The water is too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, too cold, now it's too hot again, too reflective, that is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. I bet it's what he started with. Splash! Hey, this is fun. Wash. La 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 la, singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Look at my wrinkly toes. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Can I stay in the tub forever? I hope you all have a wonderful day and have a great day.